If your YouTube videos are still getting low views in 2026, my dear, your titles are the issue. In as much as your thumbnails really matters in every upload. Yes, I know most creators, most bigger creators will tell you about thumbnails, keep enlightening you about thumbnails, and most young creators have become very, very obsessed with thumbnails, but they won't tell you about your titles. In as much as the thumbnails are very important, the titles are also the most important things in every content, because when you have subscribers and whenever you post a video, you are expecting them to receive a notification, and through that notification they can come and see your videos. And just imagine receiving a notification with a video you've spent hours editing, hours recording, and then the title is something that is not engaging. You just find out that your subscribers will just miss the notification and won't even care to even go and find out the content of that particular video. And you find that video end up getting low views, and you expected that video to even do more and rank higher in most of your videos because you knew the energy you inputted in that video. I know most young creators also find it very difficult, and you keep changing thumbnails, and you are not thinking about the title. They're not telling you guys about the title, and the title are also very, very important. That is very important in every upload. Just as important as thumbnails are, your titles are also very, very important. So in this video, I'm exposing how to create titles, how you can create your titles using ChatGPT. You just use ChatGPT to create your titles, and within seconds, you can get up to 20 titles which you can use to like test your videos and find out which one works perfectly well. ChatGPT will tell you why this particular title will work for this particular video, how you should use it, and your titles should be something that sparks curiosity. Your titles are not supposed to be explaining your videos. Your titles are supposed to be just telling your viewers what the content of that video is, not explaining the entire video. So for example now, you created a video about watch hours or watch time, and you used these three things, turn these three settings on to get 4,000 watch hour in 2 weeks. You find out that that video will perform well than from when you used 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks. Yes, because when you mention that four or these three settings, when you use numbers, viewers are most likely engaged. They more likely want to know that fourth settings or the four things or the three things you mentioned in that video. So find out that most viewers will able to like stay to the end and want to find out what those three things are. So that also sparks engagement. So now come with me. Let me show you how to create titles for your videos using ChatGPT. So here, carry your phone and go to ChatGPT. Now type this thing, this text exactly. I'm going to be typing it here. Create, create 20. Yes, because I want to create multiple 20 clickable, clickable YouTube titles. Ensure to add YouTube titles for a video about generate oh sorry, not generating, um about creating creating thumbnails. So yeah, we're just using this one now as an example. So create thumbnails, yeah, so creating thumbnails on smartphone. Yeah, because a lot of users keep asking. Okay, now you see ChatGPT is going to generate 20 clickable titles for your video. So you don't have to be stressing yourself. You now see ChatGPT has generated the 20 clickable titles. Now look at the first one. How I make viral YouTube thumbnails using only my smartphone. Now, once a viewer sees this, it sparks curiosity. They start thinking, ah, what could be the process? So now every creator, every viewer wants to like see how you create. So this one now sparks curiosity. And also the second one, Create professional YouTube thumbnails on your smartphone, no PC. This one also sparks curiosity. You can see lots and lots of them. You can slide up and see lots, 20 more, and you can see ChatGPT to even give you the top picks. The now I can see it has given out my top 5 picks for the highest click. You can see it. Potential, highest click potential. You can see ChatGPT has given you its own clicks, its own, the one that it prefers to use. You can see the first one, how I make viral YouTube thumbnails using only my phone. You see, ChatGPT has given us its own. So you can just select from these few ones that ChatGPT has given, because I know these ones will perfectly work. Now, after creating these titles, after generating those titles from ChatGPT, you can now hurry over to YouTube and upload and use those titles as the title, your main titles which you are going to be using on YouTube. And also, ChatGPT can also help you to generate your description, because every upload on YouTube here needs a description. So ChatGPT can also help you to generate your description with hashtags. That's the most beautiful. It can help you generate it with hashtags. So you have to go to description and start describing your videos from here to just describe just half part of that video to ChatGPT, and it will generate all and every single description for that video. ChatGPT can do that for you. So yes, if you've watched this far, like this video and also drop in the comments. Congratulations, because we are going to 7,000 subscribers. We are still in 6.7. We are going to 7,000 subscribers. So yeah, you can drop congratulations in the comments.